This is the elevator at the Executive Center in Sarasota, Florida. It's a nice bell. Let's see if we can ring the bell. There's this nice atrium, which they could have easily made this elevator scenic, but unfortunately they chose not to. GAL button up here. Let's try it again. So really no bell. Thought it was another case of it wouldn't chime if the door didn't shut all the way. It just doesn't chime regardless. So this is a 3665 Bee Ridge Road, which is near the intersection of Bee Ridge and Beneva. Here's your emergency phone. Let's go for one more ride. It's got a really nice bell down here, just unfortunately you can't hear it going down. And let's end it down at 1. No door close button. It's interesting how there's an emergency light all the way up here. And let's listen to the bell one last time. And I just talked over it. Let's listen to it one more time, just one more. But in the meantime, you can really see here, they could have very easily have made this scenic, but unfortunately they chose not to. One more time. GAL interlock up there. Here's your call station. There it goes, and that'll be it.